Hi students, my name is Ms. Balani and I've been in the teaching profession for more than 15 years. Today I'll be explaining you the concept of banking and will also be discussing all the terms related to banking. I'm sure about it that you must have heard about these terms discussed in your family regarding the banking terms like rate of interest, fixed deposit and so on. Now we switch over to the actual topic banking. The bank offers different schemes and where we can open our accounts. The four type of different schemes are as follows, which I will note it down on the board. They are as first scheme is saving bank account. The second is current bank account. The third is fixed deposit account. And the fourth is recurring account. This recurring account is also called as cumulative deposit account. The other name for it is cumulative deposit account. Cumulative. The bank offers different schemes under which we can operate our accounts. Now these different schemes are as follows. First, it's the saving bank account, current bank, fixed deposit and recurring, that is the other name for it is called as cumulative deposit account. In this chapter we are going to deal with cumulative deposit account. The rate that is to be given to the account holder is fixed by the Reserve Bank of India and is being revised from time to time. We will be computing four topics in this chapter. They are called as monthly deposit, rate of interest, time and maturity value. I will write it down on the board and let you know which are the four topics which we are going to cover.